Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to add any NFC card to Apple Wallet. So you can start by checking if the card you want to add in the Apple Wallet is supported by an app. This could be for various things like transit passes, loyalty programs, and access cards. You can even look for the information about digital wallet support on the card issuer's website or in the App Store. If there is an app available for the card, then you should download it from the App Store onto your iPhone. Then you need to open the app and navigate to the section where you can add or manage your cards or passes. This might be labeled differently depending on the app, but it's often found in the settings or under the account profile. Depending on the app, you will typically have two options to add your card, either by scanning the physical card using the iPhone's camera or by manually entering the card details such as the card number and the expiration date. If you choose to scan the card, then you need to position it within the frame provided by the app and ensure that the entire card is visible. The app will then capture the necessary information from the card. Alternatively, if scanning isn't available or doesn't work properly, then you can enter the card details manually. This usually includes the card number, expiration date, and any other required information. Once you have successfully created the pass within the app, you can look for an option to add it to Apple Wallet. This option is typically found after you have completed the process of adding the card to the app. Then you need to tap the Add to Wallet or the similar button and follow any on-screen prompts to confirm the addition of the pass to the Apple Wallet. Once added, you can access your card by opening the wallet app on your iPhone and Apple Watch, and your card will be stored digitally in the app for easy access whenever you need it. So, for any reason, if you encounter any of the issues during the process, then you can usually find troubleshooting tips or contact support within the app or on the card issuer's website. So, if the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.